Welcome back to our training videos on e-learning. My name is Martin. I'm going to walk you through the very first steps that you've got to take at the moment you have access to your first online course. You need to do a number of things. One, you need to set up your profile. You have to create it since what you received is just a blank e-learning course page. You need to create topics and put up your announcements and then mount your course outline. I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. First thing is how to create your profile. So on the top right corner, you find this icon. This will have your name and your credentials. This is where you can do a number of things. You can go to your dashboard here. You can look at your profile, click on profile. And once you have your profile on, to personalize your e-learning account for your students' sake, you can reset, you can customize this page, you can reset it, you can upload your profile photo so that it gives the image that you want your students to get. And how you do that is so easy. You basically, reset this page to default or customize this page, upload your photo and save it. I'll not get to that because this is a training platform. Then this is where you can manage your grades. This is where you get to see your messages from your students. This is where you get to set your preferences. And also you get to log out once you are done. So going back to dashboard, and I really want to go back to the course. First thing you need to do is to create different levels of topics depending on your weeks. Where do you get these topics from? These topics are gotten from your course outline. So assume this is my course outline. And these are the topics per week. AMREF International University goes by topics and not weeks. Topics and not weeks. And so basically just go back. And now we want to create windows for these topics. The first thing to do is turn editing on. You see this pen coming on, meaning now you can add weeks, which we're also calling topics. So how many do you need? You go back to your course outline and you realize you have 1 to about 12 weeks. So let's do that, 1 to 12 weeks. This is my course outline. And this is the course name. So simply go to my e-learning platform and add how many? 12 weeks. So click up here all the way to 12 and then click add weeks. Once you have done that, now you see you have your courses right here. I mean, you have your topics within each week. So now it's up to you to go over every week and rename the title to the topic name. Like for instance, this week right here, you see this pen right here? Just click on it and then go to the topic. It's actually introduction and course overview. So I'll really come up here and rename this to introduction and course overview. So introduction and course overview. All right. Then you must enter. Click enter or press enter on your keyboard to save. Next up is structure and syntax of C program as a topic. I'll copy that and then I'll go back on this pen, click to edit, and then just paste inside and enter. Next up, I'll go back again to my next topic, which is operators and expressions. Copy, then go back to my LMS, click on this pen, change from dates or weeks, and paste your topic. I'll do the same for each and every one of these. All right. Even when there is a CAT, I'll indicate the CAT, a continuous assessment test 1. If that is what I want to do that week alone, I'll rename it instead of the topic and paste it there. Enter. All right. Then go back. Managing input and output. I'll click copy. Then go back to the LMS on this pen to edit and paste. Enter. All right. Now you're getting the flow of this. Decision making and branching. Copy. All right. I'll go back. I'll click to paste. Enter. Right. Now you can do the rest actually on your own. I hope you can follow this through as you do your own. Click on the pen to edit, paste, press enter on your keyboard. Go back to your course outline, pick the topic for week 8, copy. Go back to your LMS, paste, enter. Right? Strings, copy. Go back to your LMS, click on this pen, paste, enter. Go back to your course outline, pick functions, copy. Go back to your LMS, paste, enter. Go back to your course outline. Lastly is file management, copy. All right. Click on the pen to paste and enter to save. Then you notice now the last one is the practical exam. So this is exam week. So whatever you call it final exam. You realize you have an extra week. If there's an extra week that you didn't intend to have, you can always go to edit here to delete it, delete week, and it will disappear. Now see, you have all your weeks properly labeled so that you can now upload, you can start mounting your content for teaching. As always, turn editing off before you exit. But while we are at it, now you have created your profile. You have labeled your topic sections per week. You need to make some initial announcements to your students. And one of the popular announcements to do is first, introduce yourself, create a space for the students to introduce themselves, and then also mount the very preliminary things like Zoom meeting link if you're going to be having Zoom sessions, and then the course outline. Let me do that quickly in the next video. Thank you.